Brought me a new us, brought me a new love, led me to you.
Hello, everybody. Is that creepy? Hi, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. Okay, I'm really excited. Let me tell you why. So, first of all, thank you for tuning back in. Welcome back to my channel. I appreciate you for coming back. I hope you come back all the time. Okay. But today, I wanted to talk about the different, my favorite, my all-time favorite shishas, tobacco, flavor, whatever you want to call it. I have like 6 to 7 favorites that I've tried so far. I haven't tried everything that's out there, all the ones in the world, but I can tell you from being a hookah smoker, the hookah queen, that I have these favorites for many reasons. And I'm gonna put you on. So if you try it, let me know if you try it and let me know if you like it. But I wanna tell you my favorites. And this is why they're my favorite, okay? So first, for those who don't know what shisha is, hookah tobacco, it's just the tobacco leaf that you smoke with your shisha. Different shishas have different things in them. Some have nicotine, some don't. Some have high levels of nicotine, some have lower levels, some have caffeine added, there's so many different kind, but the main thing that you need to know is the tobacco that goes into your hookah bowl, okay? So it's important too that when you begin smoking hookah, or if you smoke hookah, just to do your research on different flavors, because a lot of times some are like super strong, some are not strong, some are like nasty, and you can see reviews about it. But I want to tell you why I love these tobacco flavors. Okay? It's so good. They're so good. So one of my followers actually put me on to this Omari brand, and let me tell you, it's good as hell. It's really good. This one right here, this lemon loaf. Listen, I have so many of them, but this one was gone. Like, it was sold out everywhere. This one was, when I got it, I used all of it. I mixed it with other things, but this one is so good. It's called lemon loaf. And it tastes like a loaf of lemon. Lemon bread. Okay? This one was actually really good. It tastes like a fresh baked like loaf of lemon bread. That's the perfect name for it, lemon loaf. It has like a citrusy taste, and it has like a really smooth sweet. It's like, you can literally describe it as a sweet taste. Yeah, I know. You want to try it, huh? So good. Love it. My next favorite by Omari is, this is me smoking hookah like before the video started, but my next favorite is the white gummy bear. It smells like a white gummy bear. Well, not a white gummy bear, but gummy bears. It smells like, definitely like candy. It smells so good. It makes you want to try it. And this one is probably like one of my faves. Like, there's my favorite, but this one's like one of my faves. And also too, this one, if you go online, they have it available on this website, Omari.com, or you can actually look at different vendors that have it. But this one sells out quick too. The lemon loaf was pretty much like sold out everywhere, but this one's still available. It's like a classic. You always see really good reviews on it. This is a real chill hookah. Like, if you smoke this, you're gonna be chilling. But those two, amazing. I love them. So these two right here, make sure you try this one from this brand, Omari, and this one too, from the brand Omari. They have a lot of other ones too, but these two were awesome. So sweet. Like, if you smoke something, you say, that was sweet, that's how you know it's good. This one, I know, sells out everywhere all the time. It's so hard to find it. I have one place. I'm gonna put it in my description on this video as a link. But this one sells out really quick too. It's Zomo, which I love this brand. They have a lot of other good flavors, but this one was like my absolute favorite. It tastes like cinnamon. It's very sweet, And not only that, but it smells good. Like if you're smoking it, like your whole room just smells like oatmeal. Like cinnamon oatmeal. Is that weird? But it does. This one tastes amazing. It's almost like that cinnamon big red gum. So good. I don't really taste the banana in it, but the cinnamon is like a really sweet cinnamon, and it's awesome. I advise you, get this if you can. If you can find it, buy it. Zomo, Z-O-M-O, my banana cinnamon. This one's a 250 gram. It was kind of hard to find, but if you can, get it. Stock up on it. Buy stock in it if you could, because this one's good. So this brand is like a classic brand. A lot of people buy it as far as for like, I know the mint, blueberry mint's a classic, watermelon mint. This one's not easy to find either, but if you can, get it. This was my favorite one from Alfaker. It is mint with cream. So smooth. And you can, I'm not crazy about like minty flavors. I'm just, as you can see, banana cinnamon, white gummy bear, lemon loaf. Like, I'm not crazy about flavors, like minty flavors. But this one is smooth. The mint with cream, it's good. I like it. And this brand is really like everywhere. This is like a very, I don't know if this is like one of the first shisha brands, but this is a classic. It's definitely an OG kind of tobacco. You can find this everywhere. But this one, mint with cream, you gotta get it. So good. There's one that I actually tried today. It was really good. I don't know if you know that candle from like Bath and Body Works. It's like a cinnamon candle, cinnamon, I think sugar, vanilla or something like that. That's what it smells like. And it tastes sweet and light just like that too. This one right here, cinnamon cookies. This was really good. The only thing I would say is that it's really good. It's honestly one of my favorites, but the only thing is that I feel like it needs to be mixed with something. So like if you get this, maybe mix it with like blueberry or something else, but this is really good. But you gotta mix it with something. It was definitely missing something. I wouldn't say mint. I would say definitely like blueberry muffin. This with blueberry muffin would probably be really good. Try it out, but this one's awesome. So try this, cinnamon cookies, you'll love it. From YOURE. This one is like my all-time favorite flavor in the world that I've tried. This is not the flavor, but this is the only picture I can find because I can't find it online. I can't find the shisha. But this one, it's Royal Shisha Watermelon, not mango, watermelon. It's the best shisha I've ever had in my life. So if you can find it, buy it. But out of everything, this is probably like my favorite one. It was watermelon mint. So good. Royal, that's the brand Royal. I don't know if you can see it. It's kind of crappy. But R-O-Y-A-L, watermelon mint. Not mango, watermelon mint. So good. Top 5. I don't even know if they sell them anymore. I can't find them anywhere. But this one was probably like my favorite ever. So if you could find some, buy me some. How about that? But I love it. It was really good. Lastly, my last favorite that I didn't really know even existed until a couple months ago. CBD infused shisha. Okay? So CBD is like known for like calming, relaxing, anxiety, like if you have bad anxiety, things like that. It's known for like being a relief of that, for that. But this, it smells so good. It smells like peach candy, like those peach candy rings, that. And not only that, after I was done smoking, I was so chill. I was so relaxed. And it just tastes so good. Like you feel the difference in this. I love this. I'm gonna get every kind just to try it out. But this one so far has been my favorite. It's the just peachy. So good. It's Samawi Shisha CBD infused. I highly recommend this if you suffer from anxiety, if you are like always really anxious, or like even like pain relief, things like that. Like if you're having like backaches, smoke some of this, you'd be all right. Fave. I loved it. So you should try it too. So I just wanted to do a quick review of everything. Again, the point of this video was not to get all like scientific and stuff like that. It was just to tell you my favorite, because a lot of people don't know that there's more flavors out there that you can try. And these had to be like my ultimate favorite. And what I'm gonna do is the ones that I know that's available, I will put them in my comment description thingy, whatever you call it, below, just so that you guys can have the links and be able to buy it and try it. And like I said, if you try it, let me know if you like it. And yeah, maybe I'll try some of your favorites. You like that? Reverse psychology? Thank you guys for watching. I'm going to be doing so many more reviews on so many different things, and we're gonna be so happy because you're gonna be like, oh my God, I like hookah now, and Sarita put me on. Yeah, I got you. We're gonna get through this together, okay? So if you have any questions, let me know. Comment below, like it, subscribe. Please subscribe so that way you know when I'm about to put you on again, okay? Bye guys, and stay safe. Bye. For watching. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna go smoke. I'm gonna go smoke. I'm gonna go smoke. Goodbye.